everybody. We're back again today. It's a pretty chilly day in Oklahoma City today. But yeah, I just want to give you guys some updates. As you can see, we made some progress on the Taurus. It's been a nightmare. We're definitely making headway. So without further ado, let's go. Let them know if you have any questions or suggestions. I want to know what you guys think. So don't forget to comment. I don't see the comment section is all lit up. So people send me messages directly and stuff like that. Put in the comment below, guys. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching. Here we come again with another update. We just have the passenger front side left. We will go ahead and still replace the rotor, the bearings, the housing, caliper brakes, caliper brackets, caliper itself, suspension, the sway link, and this other control link right here. So that's pretty much what we have left. We will replicate on the car whatever we've done on this side, because this is the side where we're done. Now most of the trims are out because I'm painting it. But this is how it's going to look on that side. We're going to have our brakes, rotors, suspension, control arm, links, caliper brackets and brakes replaced. Those brakes are actually new. Their rotors are fairly used, but they're still really good. But that's what we're trying to achieve. We've come a long way, as you can see. We also blacked that out. Don't forget to check the other video for the trim to see how we got that done or how it looked like before. We got to do the bottom part too for the trim. We're done in the rear, as you can see. We got our suspension done there as well. The bumper is off. We're able to replace our impact bar on the back. We have it primed and slightly painted for rust protection. We have debadged it because we're working on some exciting little badging thing here. So same with the headlights, we're repurposing them and refinishing them. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much the update so far. We also sprayed the bottom for rust as well, and we replaced the same thing in the back. We replaced the shocks, the calipers, the rotor, the housing, and everything else. So we have, we're pretty much there. We're making progress. This is the way it looks on this side, and that's how it looked before versus this look, which is all blacked out on the trim. And again, like I said, not sure what we will do as far as the tint, because we want to show that interior. It's just too gorgeous in my opinion to be covered up fully. But we have some more modes that are coming in for the inside of the car. As you can see, the grill is still sitting there. We haven't put it back on there. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys some updates. We're moving slow, but we're moving in the right direction for sure. We also had to take out the battery, which we're recharging right there. It's a long story, but yeah, guys, still fighting on what to do exactly as far as doing a lift on the front. I had a bunch of other ideas that we can still implement while keeping this, because I don't know if you can see, but I'm strange like that. But the curve on the body right here, it also curves on the light right here. So the whole purpose is to use what you got, the body that you have, and try to touch it up or fix it up, the best way you can to where it kind of stands out. So don't be surprised if we come up with something crazy, but we're still working on it. But yeah, I think that is pretty much it. Also, before I forget, we also took the mirror out, so don't forget to check out the video on how to take that out. It's pretty easy. But we're finishing the mirror as well. Same with the spoiler that was on the back. We're finishing that as well. And yeah, I think that's it. We got some pretty good things coming up for the exhaust system, the two mufflers and the downpipe. But yeah, anyway, keep on supporting, keep on watching. Don't forget to like and share. But yeah, we're definitely making progress. It's gonna look awesome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up.